Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable suggested for you videos or posts on your Facebook application. So if you guys are getting annoyed already by these suggested for you posts on Facebook, what we can actually do in order for us to disable this is to go on over on your Facebook application and scroll through it until you see a sponsored post like this. So if you want to go ahead and just get rid of these suggested posts and sponsored posts, you could actually just tap on this X button so that Facebook would remember your setting and the Facebook algorithm is gonna take track of that to not suggest you any of these posts anymore. Now, you could also go ahead and just tap on this three dots option and then proceed with tapping on this option to show less. So Facebook is gonna show less of these ads to you. You could also tap on hide ad to never see ads like this and report these ads if you see a problem with it. Now, those are the methods that we could actually do in order for us to disable the suggested for you ads and sponsored posts on your Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.